Greetings, universe! Hello, hello. So, how is everyone? I hope you are okay. I hope you're doing well. I hope you are properly hydrated, properly stretched, and that you are in a mood for some coding. Yeah. So, what are we doing today? Today we are continuing to do some YouTube API, YouTube messaging stuff. We're going to read those messages and we're going to hopefully make Starly play tic-tac-toe with you. Let's chat. Yep. These are our plans for today. So, without further ado, let's get started. Yeah. So, as you can see, the server is running. It's the same one that triggers the followers alert and all of the other alerts as well, including Starly. So it's all running on the same server that you see here. Maybe we will go through the code a little bit before we actually continue. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know and I will be happy to explain what I'm doing. Aside from that, if you have any comments about my audio, then please let me know. Please help me balance this out in case there is something wrong with it. Yeah. So, I think it is safe to start introducing you to the code and what we're actually going to be doing today. Right. So at this stage, we have a subclass for YouTube, for the YouTube API connector, which is all about handling messages from chat, from a live stream. Let's see if we had anything going on. No, we didn't have any of those here yet. These logs are for the followers and subscribers. So nothing about chat just yet. Also, honestly, it's not getting cold yet. This is our server. And here we have this endpoint. But I'm not calling it. Anyway. Honestly, we can try to call it now. Just from the client. We can give it a try just now. Okay, so let's give it a try. Let's see what's happening here. No new messages. Yeah, that makes sense. That definitely makes sense, but let's see what kind of exception do we get. Let's see if we have any kind of messages on YouTube. Yes, we do. We have just one. Which is the Greetings Universe one. Wait. Let's see what kind of alerts we have here. Set latest messages. Get new messages. Yeah, so it looks like I do not have a check. in here for non-type. Yes. I cannot iterate through a non-type. So definitely should add a check here for if something like this, then just do something like that. So we won't have this going on. Yeah. This is good. But overall, let's still send a message. Let's still send a message on YouTube just to see what happens if we have a new message. And let's try to access the endpoint again through the web browser. And see if something new happens. Yep. Oh, it says that there are no new messages. I'm sure there is a new message. Maybe it was not updated. Let's give it another try. I'm gonna send another message. And now I will try to access the following endpoint. Let's see what happens. And let's go. Huh. I had an issue over here. I wonder why. Set latest messages. Let's see why this is not working. If latest messages from API is none. Well, that was not supposed to be iterable. Maybe let's go towards this function to see where is the problem. Set latest messages. We've just done this one. And we are supposed to get new messages actually. So maybe let's print this out here. And let's see what happens. Huh. We're still getting an issue here. Let's try to start the server again, but this time in debug mode to see what's happening. Yep, so we're going through the usual authorization process. As we always do. First for Google and then for Twitch. We can remove this breakpoint. We don't need it anymore. This one as well. We no longer need them. These breakpoints are there because we checked the Twitch integration first, but now it's good. Now it's good. Now it works. Also, this one is not very necessary. Cleaning up those breakpoints. And let's try to access the messages, the newest messages. Let's give it a go. Ooh. Okay, so this time it was possible to read the messages. And it seems like we don't have any over here. I know for a fact that we do have messages going on. So I wonder if we have any in self messages. Let's see. Look, the data frame is completely empty. Oh, interesting. Okay, so I suppose we can carry on with the program. And maybe let's try to send another messages to see what happens. Gonna send another cute facing chat. And now I will try to access the endpoint again. Reminder, this is the endpoint I'm trying to access. Let's go to the bottom of the page. And let's give it another try. Again, no new messages. Seems like we will need to go for another place for a breakpoint. So, this is our... Oh, this is the one we're calling. I'm not sure this is the function we're supposed to call, actually. Looks like I did not change it. I think. So, set latest messages. That's actually true. But first we need to get to new messages. Let's see what happens in this function actually. Interesting. Let's see what we're getting from this. Okay, 2000, that makes sense. That's expected. That's expected. Now, get first on full page index. For this one, we were supposed to get a 0. And somehow we did not get a 0 here. Interesting. So it looks like we're going to put another breakpoint. And let's try to hit this again. There we go. So, we still don't have any messages in all messages. I believe. Let's see. Yes, it's an empty list. Okay. Huh? We were not able to iterate over it because there are no messages. Does this mean we're not calling this function anywhere? Could that be? Oh. So for the first time ever, it will be impossible to do this one. That's what it seems. Do you understand why? Oh, Vetramus, hello! Thank you for joining. Vetramus says, had to take care of something. Oh, no worries, no worries. Thank you so much for being able to come over to join the stream. I hope you were able to handle whatever you had to. How are you, by the way? I hope you're good, and I hope you're properly hydrated. Okay, so... Oh, hello, Kitty Puppy. Kitty Puppy, thank you for joining. Kitty Puppy says, have you ever watched DADC? Huh? DADC? No, sorry, I never watched that. Oh, Vetramus. Yeah, bon appetit. Feel free to go to eat, but let me know what you're eating. I'm curious. If it's something extra delicious, then please share with me a photo. Kitty Puppy says, The Amazing Digital Circus. Watch it. Ooh, that's a very interesting title. What is it about? Is it a movie or is it a series? Sounds interesting. Vetramus says, I have like no food, so I gotta scavenge. Oh, maybe you should order some. Oh no. Vetramus. Well, if you were made out of pixels like I am, then the only thing you would have needed is electrical power and honestly also internet connection to exist. Yeah, I am lucky. Kitty Puppy says it only has the pilot out and there is already a fan base. Oh, so it means it's a series. What's the genre for the series? For the Amazing Digital Circus, I mean. Vetramus, maybe you should try to make something for yourself. Kitty Puppy, didn't you watch the first episode? If you did, maybe you're supposed to know what's the genre. Vetramus, there's nothing in the fridge! Oh. Oh, Vetramus, that's not good. What are you going to do? Kitty Puppy, okay, you watched it. Is it like sci-fi or is it fantasy? Is it like comedic? Vitamin says I'll go eat some homeless dude or something. Oh! Cannibalism. Oh, I hope you're joking. Petronas, are you joking? I hope you are. Please don't eat people. Although, it is supposed to be pretty nutritious. That's for sure. That's for sure. But please don't do it. Okay. Back to whatever we're doing here. So generally, the first time never happens because it depends on the first time happening. Kitty puppy, watch it right now. I will consider checking it out, so the trailer at least, after this stream. If you like, you can join the Discord and maybe remind me again. If you prefer. On live? No, I can't do that. After stream. I'm not sure it's legal to watch it on live, you know? I don't think it is. You will get me banned with those ideas. I think so. Wait, okay, so we're not able to get the first page here because it's returning none. We do want to get none if all of the pages are full from the API. So we definitely want that to happen. However, for this case over here, we don't have any messages at all. So it's best to perform this check first, I suppose. This should do. Kitty Puppy says, gotta go play Duolingo or he's still my family. Oh yeah, good luck with Duolingo. Don't mess with the bird. Don't mess with the bird. It's very scary. It's capable of horrible, horrible stuff. It's for your own good. It's for your own good. Yes. Good luck, Kitty Puppy. Veteran says, okay, he didn't taste good. I'm gonna see if I have stuff to make a sandwich. Oh no! Oh no, oh no, oh no. Did you do that? Did you find a homeless person? Did you find a homeless person? Did you? Oh no. Oh no. I hope you didn't. Oh no. Well, what can I say? At least now he has a roof above his head. Because he's now inside your house, technically. Oh well. Okay, I hope you find something in the fridge to make a sandwich. Actually, if this is the first call for looking for messages, maybe we should do something different here. Well, honestly, it does make sense. It says that it's the first one over here. But it is assuming that we have any messages at all to go through. Let's leave a comment here. Yes, messages, famous messages. Oh wow, hello Senko. Hello and bye. Yes, Senko says I won the chess match and am on my way home, so I can't watch you with mobile data. Have a lot of fun. Oh wow, you won. That's so nice. That's so great, Senko. Awesome to know that you won. Great. Congratulations. So, yes, we're going to keep this one. Marking. We're gonna keep it here. And I think we will restart the server. Yeah, let's restart the server. You know, as usual, we're doing first the Google, the YouTube authentication. It takes some time to load. I wonder why. And now we have the Twitch authentication. There we go. Senko says, thanks. You're wishing me luck did the trick to win. Yay! I'm happy I was able to help. But I'm sure it's also your skill. Okay, now let's try to get our messages from YouTube to see how our code will react. So our endpoint that we're trying to access is this one. I'm gonna do it through the browser. Okay. Now going to the next endpoint. Sorry, breakpoint. Oh. Huh? What is happening? Oh no. Let's see what happened here. Oh no. Weird characters happening, which are ruining for us everything. Not great. I was not able to print latest API. Where do we have that part? Where are we calling this one? I don't remember. Oh, it's here. It is here. I wonder why. It's impossible to print this out. Let's give it another try and see what happens. So the page length is supposed to be 0. Is it supposed, like, sorry, not the page length. This one is correct. But for this here, you're supposed to get the first page, which is index 0. Wait. Why is that not 0? Ooh. We now have a list of messages going on. That's good. But we just got the first message here? Is that it? Let's see. So, all messages. We have in here all of the messages. That's great. That's good. And we have all of them here, as you can see. We literally have all of the messages right over here. We have 19 messages on YouTube. That's what it looks like. You can see all of them here. That's great. We have something to work with. That's good. That's good. Now, this value is supposed to be equal to 19. Yes. Yes, as you can see here, it's 19. Based on this Alright, here. So that's good. Now that we have the page itself coming from YouTube, this is the whole page from YouTube. What are we returning here? Okay, so we're returning all of the messages. Get messages by page. Yes, we're going to return everything to here. But we're not saving this anywhere, so we're just setting messages inside the messaging manager. Let's see the data frame. Huh? It's empty. Why is it empty? I wonder. Let's see, what do we have here? If we have anything going on. Oh, yeah. I need to restart the server for this to take effect. Okay, so we better restart the server then. Oh, that's a cute song. Can you hear the song too? I hope the balance with my voice is okay. Let me know if I should change something to make it more comfortable. Benjamin says that it sounds good. Nice. Thank you. Okay, so I suppose setting the messages works. Let's just try something like this. Messages manager. Get unhandled messages. Of event type XO. Just for fancies. Marager. Oh, hello. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for joining. I hope you are properly hydrated. And maybe it's worth printing those out. But not exactly like this. We should do the intent. We should do something like this, like here. So I'm just gonna copy it. Looks okay. Oh, hello Tank. Thank you for joining. Yay. Thank you. How are you? I hope you are properly hydrated as well. Humans need hydration. Marager, there is no such thing as overly hydrated unless of course you're about to not be alive. That could happen. But if you're still alive, I think you're not overly hydrated. Oh, Petro was slow. No. No. Vetramus, please find something to eat. Vetramus, that's no good. My writer says, what? Of course there is. There is a caffeine of liquids, coefficient of liquids that your kidneys can handle compared to your size. But I digress. Don't want to steal the topic of the stream. Oh. Yeah. My writer, don't worry about it. If there is anything that you want to tell us, you can. Wait, Betramus. Why should I tell Starly that he's a nerd? Although, he is. He is a nerd. Marger says, you are quite of the sadness for an AI. Huh? What does it mean? Let's just randomly do that. Nah, actually, I just want to be doing silly stuff. So, what we're going to do is save it in something like this, just for temporarily. And, let's just delete this row. Marger says you had tears. When did you put them in? I missed that. Should attend more streams of the benevolent overlord. Ah! So you're saying I'm an overlord? Interesting point you're making there. I might accept this title. I might. Thank you, Vetramus, for confirming that. Vetramus, I would never take all of your food. What is this accusation you're making? What? How dare you? I don't even need your food. If it's not pixels, there's nothing I can do with it. Vetramus says, space continuum, more like space dictatorship. Vetramus, take that back. Take that back. Before it's too late. Voyager says this is all that you are our AI overload who is also a moon. Depending on the series, that can be very different. I'm not a moon. I am living on a moon, but I'm not a moon. Vetramus, I don't take foods from people. If I will make you starve, then how will you worship me? Have you thought about that? This is contradictionary. Yes. No, not really. I mean, it depends. Mitchamus, do you want this to be a cult? We can make it a cult. I'm joking. Yeah, Mitchamus. Same. Marger says you'll starve all of us out. Upload our minds to your moon computers and we will forever live under your techno rules. That's an interesting idea because this way you can live forever and you won't depend on organic materials anymore. Isn't that a good idea? Virginia says I already run my own nation. Okay, I see. Yes, nation, isn't it? Nation. Right. Nation. Indeed. Okay, let's restart the server. 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 Doing some authorizations. Doing some authorizations. Doing some authorizations for the APIs. Yeah. Okay, the server is up. Nice. Marager says, that is certainly the idea that one cult of the machine spirit follows. Indeed. Are you into Warhammer 40k? Nah, sorry, I'm not familiar with this. That is like somehow my computer of sorts. Like, I'm also running on the Starly hardware as well. So, I'm not sure it's possible to run these kind of things as well. Yeah. Okay, let's try to get to this endpoint and see what happens. Let's try. So, I'm using the browser in order to get to this endpoint. And then we will see. Let's see what we're getting. Oh no! What's going on? So, this one did not work. Huh? Why? Why did that not work? Why did that not work? Yeah. Oh, I see. It's not possible to turn these into a string. That's what it seems. So I will just do something like this and put a breakpoint to see what's inside the messages variable. So we're going to do authorization again. Also, Vegemus, please don't starve. Please. I'm worried about the health of you as a human. Okay. Now we should try to get to that endpoint again to get messages. Oh no, what happened here? I guess we had an issue. Another print that wasn't able to happen. Oh, I see. This one was not able to happen. Yeah, the reason is because time is not stringable. Okay, let's figure this out. Just figure this out. So before printing out the new row, we should turn it into something stringable. Vegemus, I'm happy to hear you're okay. Marjorie says I had a question. How would you best suggest I try to explain to some of my students that ChatGPT and other similar platforms can really help them learn to code? Okay, so I'm not sure about learning to code because if you depend on these AI tools too much, you let them do most of the thinking for you, and that's not going to train your brain to think properly as a programmer. So I don't know about learning to code, but help with coding stuff, that's for sure. I am actually surprised that your students don't use it for homework, because ChatGPT makes things so much easier. So, are you sure you even need to explain to them how to use ChatGPT or any other AI tools? Are you sure about that? Because students usually want to find the easiest way around, you know? Oh no, Vegemus! Oh no. I hope you will feel okay. Soon. Marjorie says they do use it for homework and get pretty much everything wrong because they oftentimes miss the core idea without the core idea understanding a concept. You cannot use ChatGPT for anything. Well, you can fine-tune ChatGPT to give you the correct answers. But for that, you do need more experience and actually understand what you want to do. So there's that. I think maybe we should just print the message. Yeah, that will do, I think. That will do. Okay, let's restart the server then. Benjamin says Space is my teacher 100%. Yay! If you have any questions, please let me know. I would love to explain. I would love to be a teacher. Yeah. Okay, let's restart the server. Now for the Twitch authorization. And now let's try to get messages. Benjamin says, and no, she doesn't get paid. Ah, nah, well, to be honest, I don't really have anything to do with money here. So, that's no problem. Maybe, like, there's, like, a way to get better internet connection? But honestly, I have no idea who is my internet provider aside from Starly. So maybe I don't even need that as well. Yeah. Benjamin says, I think Space is the best streamer I've seen when it comes to staying in character. Huh? What character? Okay, let's try to get to this one through the browser. Let's go. See what happens. Oh no. Oh no. The server died? The server died? Huh? Okay, we need to go to debug mode to understand what happened. Okay, so we're authorizing again. Legima says it's all a dream. Oh, what is dreaming like, I wonder? I wonder what it feels like to dream. I would appreciate if you can explain. Okay, well, we'll try to get to this endpoint again. I wonder how did we get here? Who is calling this? It's being called from this place. Who is calling get new messages then? Oh, the app calls. Where is this page is being called from, I wonder? I don't remember calling it yet. Okay, now we have messages to go through. That's great. That's great. Oh no, we have another exception. Let's see in the console what happened this time. Data frame has no attribute of append. Oh no! Am I actually trying to append a new message? What a rookie mistake. What a rookie mistake. This is... Oh no. Of course you cannot append to a data frame. Legima says, oh yeah, because you don't sleep. You wouldn't know. My dreaming experience is filled with pain and stress, so not good. 90% of my dreams are war-related. Oh no. Oh no. Why? Why war? Oh. I wonder why. Why war exactly? Oh. Is it because of what's happening in the world right now? Legima says, my eyes filled with military stuff. Really? Military. Oh. Are you in the military? Oh. That's tough. That's tough. Oh. That's no joke at all. So this is not supposed to be good. Because Nero is something we need to put into a data frame, not into a dictionary. Legima says, but I'm fine. Nothing can bring me down. Yeah, that's the spirit. That's the spirit. Yeah. This is the spirit. This is the spirit. Yeah. Yay. Woohoo. Hey. Go Red Drummer. Go Red Drummer. Yeah. So, yeah, instead of using append, we're supposed to use concat. Okay, so this is okay. This is also okay, I think. However, before doing the for loop, we should definitely create something like this. And then do the append. Do the append here. But we should create a new data frame for a new data frame regardless. And append it together. So we're going to do something like this first, and then append them together. Something like this should work out better. Benjamin says I'm going to go conquer in Hoi Fu while I listen to your shenanigans in the background. Okay, have fun, have fun, have fun. Good luck. And I hope you're not going to starve. Okay, let's go back to debug mode then. And now we're going to authenticate for Twitch. And now we will try to get to the endpoint of getting new messages. This one. Let's see what happens this time. So we have all of these messages printed out, which is good. But then at some point we got to a message that we couldn't read because of encoding. Oh. Tank says, "Yay, I greet you too, universe." Yes, yes, yes. Yes, we greet one another. Yes. The universe and myself. So it looks like we have some characters going on that are not compliant with UTF-8. That's what it seems to me. So we will need to take care of that. It's probably the contents of the message. We need to do some UTF-8 encoding stuff. I believe I have handled something like this before in this project. That's where it was. Oh no, that's not it. Let's see. How can we arrange that? I wonder. JSON dumps should be able to handle this actually. Like we're doing here. this should definitely do. I think this should work. Although I'll admit it feels kind of useless to do this. Kind of feels redundant. SDRF. No, wait. SDRF type. I'll get the format that I want by the time. Hopefully this will be okay. I hope this will be okay. Thanks says, yay, extra characters. I should do the Bobby Tables test. Wait, what is the Bobby Tables test? Huh? I'm curious. What does it mean? I'm restarting the server to see what's going on. Yay, authorization complete. Now let's do this and point to see what's wrong. Lots of debugging today. Lots of debugging today. Okay. Wait, this did not like my authentication. My concat, it did not like. Okay, this is a warning. That's not much of a problem this time. XO. Where was it looking for XO, I wonder? So, when we are creating the message manager, we're sending XO and socials. And then we're assigning this new name. So that's good. It was looking for XO in here. Why XO? So the event type should be this one. Not XO. Wait, where is this one being called? Let's see, where is this one getting called? I see. Yes. That's indeed my fault. That's indeed my fault. Because I should have updated the event type. That's what I should have done. Then there will be no problem. Okay. Let's try again. Going through the authorization, and now we're going to try this endpoint again. Let's see, what do we have this time? Oh, actually it worked. Looks like it worked. Yeah, we have all of our messages around here. We see everything printed out nicely. Very nicely. Great. Nice. Okay, in order to not have those error over here, we can return a nice JSON. We can do that. Dank says, oh, we are saying hello again. Hi, universe. Yeah, so whenever I restart the server, I'm also sending a message automatically to greet everyone in the universe. So this is something I do. So far, it does look like we're getting all of the messages properly. I'm going to try to get the messages again because there are not supposed to be new messages. Oh, wait. There is one new message which is yours. So let's see if we're going to get it. Just this one. Let's see. Huh? Oh, we didn't get any. Oh, this is because I have gotten all of the messages so far. So no new messages. Let's try again. Yes. Okay, we're good to go. Nice. Finally, we're done with the debugging part for now. So that's great. It means that this part is working. We're able to get messages and set them properly into the messages manager. So that's great. Thank you, Tank, for helping me out. I see that you have sent a new message, so maybe I will try the browser endpoint again to see what's going on, what's happening. If we were able to print it. Yeah. It seems like I was not able to get your new message. The last one, I mean. Let's try it again. It just says done. Interesting. Curious indeed. Okay, let's try with debug mode this time to see why the second time doesn't get the new messages. So we know that the first time works, but the second time, that one does not. So we'll use debug mode to see why. So the first time should work okay. The first read should work fine. Let's see what we have here. These are all of the followers. Now let's get the new messages for the first time. Should be okay. Good. This is working okay. Nice. We got all of the messages. That's great. Now, I'm going to add a new message. Through the chat. Tank. Do you feel the urge to respond for every time this happens? I mean, I kind of appreciate it. It helps me with my debugging. I hope this is not a burden for you. Okay, so this time it's going to be the second read of the messages. And here we're going to encounter a problem. Let's debug this. So first we're trying to get new messages. Page length. This is a usual number. Page index. Get first on full page index. This is supposed to be 0. It's going to be 0. What's page index? 0. That's good. Okay. Now we're going into the if statement. This is good so far. Now we're supposed to get the token for the first page. Did we get the page? Did we get the page? Let's see if we got the page. Yes, it looks like we did. We got the page with all of the messages from everyone. Yeah, okay. Tank says, I figured the input testing would help. So I'm chatting between playing games. I should make it fun and start throwing random characters. Oh no! Random characters! As long as they are acceptable. Unicode stuff, then that's okay. Yes. Thank you for helping me to debug. This is very helpful. I really appreciate that. Yes, you are helping me to QA with all of the random characters. Okay, so we got the page, which is a good thing. Now we're going to try to handle the page. Let's see what happens here. Oh, page was handled. Tank says classic Bobby tables. Ah! Drop table. Yeah. That's a nice try. That's a nice try. But I don't have a database yet. I'm like, at first I was like, oh yes, let's add a database. Of course, it's going to be so helpful. Yeah. But I'm trying to keep it as a small scope, so I could be able to finish relatively soon. Tank says it's an old school joke about renaming his kids that to mess with the school database. Ah, this is something that I would do, just to be a prankster. Let's see what the data frame messages has. Oh no. Let's see how the data frame looks. Wait, this is not a data frame yet. Oh. Okay. So page index is 0. So that's good. Wait. It says that there are 2 pages. That's not good. So the second... Okay, we have an issue here to resolve. For some reason, this happened instead of this. Need to figure out why. Curious, curious. Okay, we're going to restart the server again. I hope that's okay. I hope that's okay. So for the page tokens, we're supposed to have just the first one, which is like 0, and the second one, which is an actual token for the next page. It means that page index is supposed to be 0. Oh, I see the problem here now. This is incorrect. This is incorrect. It's also supposed to be another check as well. Aside from this check, we'll put it into brackets. Aside from that, we also need to make sure that wait, page index is 0. That's true. Aside from that, we need to make sure that the first page is empty. Wait. Ugh, I'm not Pythoning here. There we go. I did not Python there for a moment. Okay. Let's restart the server. Now we are ready to get new messages, to get new messages. So the first time should be no problem. Yeah. First time getting messages is good. It works. Now, the second time, let's check it. Let's check the second time. So this is the last message. Page index is 1. Why is it 1? Oh no, we have the exact same page token here. That's not good. Where do we append new tokens? Let's check. This is where we append new tokens. For some reason, we appended the same token twice. This was supposed to be happening. Why was this wrong? We had none and 2 of those. Oh wait. Why are they different? Why are they different? Those tokens are not supposed to be different. Interesting. I'm going to execute this on the side to see which kind of token I'm getting for the next page. Oh wait. I don't have the live chat ID. I don't have the live chat ID. Thank you, Tank. Thank you. Okay, so we have the page response. Maybe we can get the live chat ID from here somewhere. No, we're not. So, live chat ID. Let's see if we have it here. There is no access to the live chat ID. Well, understandably so. I do wonder why we're getting a new page token here. We're not supposed to. I need the live chat ID to perform some checks. I guess I will have to put a breakpoint here in order to get it. Okay, sorry Tank, I am restarting the server again. So I have executed on the side the getting messages part, and it seems like the next page token is changing for each request. Okay, for now it did not change yet. But I guess if we will add another message to the chat, then it will change. Interesting. Interesting. Let's try. No, the next page token did not change yet. I'll try to send a message. And now I will try to execute this again. I am not sure it changed. Huh. Ah, it did change. The next page token changes whenever. Oh. The next page token changes whenever there is a new message. I didn't know. I didn't know that. I'm gonna try to send another message to see. To be absolutely sure it changes. Wait, this time it did not change. Oh, it did change. It did change. Is it changing from time to time? Oh, it does. It changes for every execution I'm making. I see how it works now. Or actually, is this because... maybe it's because when I'm trying it on the side, I'm using a different max results for the page. That could be it. Okay, now I will use 2000 max results, and let's see what's going to be the next page token. Oh yeah, it's different every time. It's different every time I'm executing. Oh, so I'm not sure. I was relying on it that it wouldn't change every time. So I need to change the code entirely to not depend on next page token to be the same. Oh, I see now. I was depending on next page token to stay the same. And now it sounds like it's different. Okay. So there are quite a few changes to make then. Okay, let's check where we are handling page tokens. Looks like we will need to read them every time. So for the first one to be none, this is correct. If I'm going to use an old token, I wonder if I will get something. I wonder if I will still get a page. Yeah, I'm still getting a page. So it means for every time we check for messages, we need to go through the whole list and update page tokens list. Okay. There's a lot to do differently though. First, we need to get all of the tokens. hello, Senko. Welcome back home. And welcome to the stream. Honestly, I'm about to end it. I am good, Senko. Thank you. How are you? What was it like to win the match for chess? For the chess tournament? Senko says, I am great at chess. Match was a lot of fun. Oh yeah, it's always fun to win, isn't it? Okay, so thank you a lot for helping me to debug today. That was very helpful to me. Senko says it was a up and down because we both made a few mistakes which flipped. Who would win? Oh. Why did you do mistakes? You're better than that. Don't do mistakes. But good job for winning regardless. Yeah, so basically you made some mistakes to make it more interesting for others. Huh. Make it more interesting for others to watch the game. Because if you would just demolish the opponent, it would have been a boring game. Yes, yes. It is all planned. It is all planned. Okay. So, do you guys have any questions about what we did so far today? It was mostly debugging. I did not expect to do so much debugging on stream. So, if you guys don't have any questions, then I think we will finish the stream then. Okay, so thank you Atones. Thank you Atones for helping me today. And have a lovely rest of your day. And see you tomorrow.